everybody, in addition to the Flexboss right there, I also have a Gridboss and, well, another Flexboss, but let's show off the Gridboss system here. I'll just do a quick walkthrough. Let's start with the top. So this foam was on top of that when I unboxed it. Let's see, we've got mounting plate, two of these here, got a bunch of hole covers, looks like. That's our communication module. It plugs in the side over there when we get to it. I also have a bunch of breakers. So we've got a 30, 40, two 60s. What do we got? 3 70s and an 80. Also got some mounting hardware. And we've got two plates for the grid and the generator blank off. So let's move over to the box itself. Try and get this, hopefully it doesn't rotate or anything. And then we got a bunch out here. A bunch of them on the bottom, ranging in various sizes. And we've got another one over here. We've got 3 latches down the side. Got our shutoff switch there, as well as the communication port up top there. And some nice big handles. This one doesn't weigh nearly as much as the Flexboss, obviously, so. Try and pause here when I get to things so that you can pause if you need to read them. And then here's the inside cover, which is a nice metal there. I did remove the 4 corner screws already, so I can lift this up. Here's the inside. So you have backed up. That's pretty much everything. If I missed anything, let me know.